Hi everyone, welcome back to Mathsforkids. My name is Jocelyn. In this video, I will show you how to find 10 more and 10 less of a number. This will help you when you do mental maths addition. When you do maths, it's very handy to be able to skip count by 10. One way of doing that is by going 10 up or 10 back. Either you take away 1 or you add 1 to the tens column. Let's start. We'll do an easy question first. What is 10 more than 10? To find 10 more than 10, we will go to the tens column. Then we would see what is the next number after 1. The next number after 1 is 2. And we put the 0 back. 2 and 0 give us 20. So 10 more than 10 is 20. Let's look at this question on a 100 square. We have written down 10. Finding 10 more than 10 would be the same as 10 add 10. We know that 10 add 10 gives us 20. So 10 more than 10 gives us 20. Let's look at another question. What is 10 less than 50? We go to the tens column, and because we are looking at 10 less than 50, we would find the number 1 less than 5, which is 4. Then we put the 0 back. 4 and 0 give us 40. So 10 less than 50 gives us 40. Let's look at it on a 100 square. We have marked the number 50 on the 100 square. Finding 10 less than 50 is the same way of saying 50 minus 10. We know that 50 minus 10 gives us 40. We know that 10 less than 50 gives us 40. Let's look at a new question. What is 10 more than 16? So we go to the tens column and see what is the next number above 1. The next number above 1 is 2. So we put the 6 back. 2 and 6 give us 26. So 10 more than 16 gives us 26. Let's look at it on a 100 square. Here we can see the number 16. 10 more than 16 is the same way of saying 16 add 10. 16 add 10 gives us 26. So we know that 10 more than 16 gives us 26. What is 10 less than 47? So we go to the tens, which is 4. Then we look at what number is below 4. The number that is below 4 is 3. Then we put the 7 back. 3 and 7 give us 37. We know that 10 less than 47 gives us 37. Here we have marked down the number 47. 10 less than 47 is also known as 47 minus 10. We know that 47 minus 10 gives us 37. So now we know that 10 less than 47 gives us 37. Let's go to another question. What is 10 more than 82. So we go to the tens place. In the tens place, there is 8. Because we are finding 10 more than 82, we will need to see what number is after 8. The number after 8 is 9. Then we put the 2 back. 9 and 2 give us 92. Let's look at it on 100 square. Here we have written 82. 10 more than 82 can be also known as 82 add 10. 82 add 10 gives us 92. Now we know what 10 more than 82 is. Here is another question. What is 10 less than 34? We go to the tens column. In the tens column, there is 3. Because we are finding 10 less than 34, we need to find the number that is 1 less than 3. The number 1 less than 3 is 2. Then we put the 4 back. 2 and 4 give us 24. Now we know that 10 less than 34 gives us 24. Let's look at this on 100 square. Here we have written down 34. 10 less than 34 is also known as 34 minus 10. We know that 34 minus 10 is 24. Here we have another question. What is 10 more than 53? First, we go to the tens column. In the tens column, there is 5. Because we are looking at 10 more than 53, we would find the number 1 more than 5. The number 1 more than 5 is 6. Then we put the 3 there. 6 and 3 give us 63. So 10 more than 53 gives us 63. Let's look at it on 100 square. Here we have marked down the number 53. Because we are finding 10 more than 53, we can also call that 53 add 10. We know that 53 add 10 is 63. Now we know what 10 more than 53 is. What is 10 less than 71? So, we go to the tens place. In the tens place, there is 7. Because we are finding 10 less than, we need to find the number 1 less than 7. The number 1 less than 7 is 6. Then we put the 1 back. 6 and 1 give us 61. So 10 less than 71 gives us 61. Let's look at this on 100 square. Here we have written down the number 71. We know that 10 less than 71 is the same as 71 minus 10. We know that 71 minus 10 gives us 61. Now we know that 10 less than 71 gives us 61. Thank you for watching. I hope you now understand how to find 10 more and 10 less of a number. Carry on practicing. See you soon for my next video. Bye!